I have had a range of experience in the music industry. I started off on tour. I proved my value, I was really efficient, and they said to me, the next artist that walks through the door is yours to manage, and that was Robbie Williams. I set up a label for Damien Hirst for a couple of years. More recently, I've been doing and running events in the UK, around my hometown of Bristol. I work at Glastonbury. So I've had a bit of a portfolio career. I think each management role is different, but generally your role is to guide your artist's career, to facilitate their creativity, and to help them keep well and keep healthy. For me, the most important elements of an artist-manager relationship: honesty, transparency, and a mutual respect. I believe that you need to build a really strong foundation if you want a long career in the music industry, and that strong foundation needs to be built through the constant creation of music, live shows, just constantly working towards your goal. And it's really important to have a strategy, a long-term strategy rather than short-term goals. For me, one of the biggest challenges is funding and finance. How to finance an artist's career and how a manager can sustain a career. Artists and managers both have to think about other income streams, revenue streams. For managing emerging artists, one of the challenges is how to stand out in a very, very overcrowded marketplace. If you're managing more established artists, it's about keeping them healthy. That something that's become more evident recently is that an artist's mental health is really fragile and can be really fragile because they don't know where the next money's coming from. They're under increasing pressure to produce an album that is as good as or better than their last album. And if they don't produce that, then they have to deal with the fallout that that brings. And that can really play havoc on an artist's mental health. As a manager, I think we have to consider our artists as a business with multiple revenue streams, and we have to maximise those revenue streams. Obviously, you get small amounts of money from streaming income, small amounts of money from physical sales, from ticket sales, from merchandise, but it's all small amounts of money that can come in and can sustain a career, but it's up to a manager to be aware of all those potential income streams. I think live is more important now than it's ever been. I mean, it's the one area of the music industry that hasn't really suffered the same demise as the recorded music sector. Certainly in the UK, the festival market is just going from strength to strength every year. I think it's really important for artists to learn and perfect their live performance, and they should build their fan base in their hometown, practice, become better at what you do.